Coolest thing about this manufacturer is that they do not manufacture anything.
Wait, what?
Then how is this manufacturing if there is no actual manufacturing?
Well, isn't manufacturing the making of articles on a large scale using machinery?
Well, they manufacture savings for other manufacturers. Here, let's find out.
Welcome to Precision Roll Grinders. There are plenty of rolls here, but how are rolls related to manufacturing? What exactly do they make here? What things does roll grinding influence? What's so cool about this manufacturer?
If we weren't doing this for other manufacturers, product quality would decrease at many of our customers. Their costs would increase, and the prices for things that you would buy every day would be higher. We really look at ourselves as a means of making things better and making them more efficient.
Every single day, it's a little bit different. We work with customers that manufacture all different types of products. And so, we might be working with customers who make chocolate one day and then make huge slabs of steel another day. We work with so many different types of industries. As we're going through and we're analyzing data for different customers, every industry is different. So if you're working with a paper customer, it's a totally different way of thinking about things than when you're working with metal or chocolate. And so it's difficult. You have to keep learning about all of these different companies and how they make things. And so it's my favorite thing, but it's also the hardest thing.
They work with rolls as small as this one to one as big as this.
Sometimes it even works where you build entire manufacturing machinery, like this truck refinery.
We completely tear it down. We repaint it, new parts, new hoses, regrinding the roll, so it's a full rebuild, essentially back to a like-new condition for the customer.
Why is any of this important?
If we weren't servicing their rolls, their machines wouldn't run as well, and so their production would go down. And that's the same across all the different industries that we service. We keep their machines running efficiently and therefore delivering their products to consumers worldwide.
For any of this to happen, the rolls have to come to precision roll grinders. Transporting such large and heavy equipment is a necessary skill. The user experience making it like a beautiful dance. So wait a minute, without precision roll grinders manufacturers worldwide would not be able to maintain high production values and high quality products that their customers expect.
Exactly!